If you're struggling with EPOC in A-level PE, listen up to this. So EPOC stands for excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. So it's this additional volume of oxygen that you're breathing in and using after you've finished exercising. And on this graph, it's represented by this section here. So what you've got is your oxygen consumption at rest, and then it goes up during exercise, and then it doesn't just plummet back down to rest. It remains elevated for hours after, and they want you to know what is that additional oxygen being used to do. And there's two stages of EPOC. There's this fast stage that is known as the alactacid stage, and then there's this slower stage known as the lactacid stage. And in the alactacid stage, so the fast stage, they want you to know that this takes 3 minutes to complete and it utilizes around 2 to 4 liters of additional oxygen. And you're using that oxygen to replenish your phosphocreatine and your ATP stores, and also to resaturate oxymyoglobin. So that just means to bind oxygen to myoglobin again inside the muscle cells. And that takes 3 minutes to fully complete all of that. And then in the slower stage, in the lactacid stage, this takes around 1 to 2 hours. And this is utilizing an additional 5 to 8 liters of oxygen. And you're using that oxygen mainly to remove lactic acid and also to remove CO2. And finally, some of that lactic acid, you can actually convert that into glycogen. So we say that you replenish your glycogen stores in the lactacid stage as well. And throughout the whole of EPOC, you are predominantly using your aerobic energy system because you're using oxygen, and your heart rate, your breathing rate, and your body temperature need to remain elevated throughout the whole